Come in. Good evening.
How are you, sir?
Welcome. Very well. What about you? Have a seat.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so your name is Shivendra. If I'm not wrong, am I pronouncing the right way?
Yes, sir. Shivendra Pahal.
Shivendra Pal. So Shivendra, you are properly from Lucknow, born and brought up here only?
Yes, sir. I am from Lucknow.
Okay, well I can see the information on your CV, but still I would love to know from you. So where have you done your schooling and all from the?
Sir, I have completed my MBA from PGDM. So PGDM from Pune Institute of Business Management from Pune, Maharashtra. And after that, before that, I have completed my BCom from Christian College. And my schooling is completed from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gomtinagar. And luckily I got my first company in 2020 in Bharti Airtel, in Rome, Maharashtra location. But unfortunately, due to lockdown, I got transferred in my hometown Lucknow. So from that time, I am working in Lucknow, and I captured around 15 to 2000 clients, corporate clients in Airtel. And after 1.5 years experience, I switched to Jio.
Okay. So basically your profile has been in the telecom sector.
Yes, sir.
So why did you choose to work in the telecom sector? Why not any other sector?
So the thing is that,
Since you are a student of the masters, I guess you should have sought something else in the masters field.
sir, actually the thing is that due to COVID-19 period, the jobs are in different fields are very rare. So I got the opportunity in the telecom field, and you know that telecom is evergreen and basic need nowadays. And I saw the vision of 5G and air fiber, so many things. So I choose this department. And the first thing is I like the most in corporate interaction is that I got the opportunity to interact with corporates, and I get to know about how they interact, what kind of things they run. And being a telecom employee, I can ask them related to their work culture, their number of employees, how they work, and make so many deep discussions. So by that learnings, I am getting so many things about Lucknow that from last 3 years, I see growth of Lucknow from Airtel.
Okay.
Yes,
So you're planning to stay here in Lucknow? You don't have any plan to switch any other place?
sir, I'm okay to relocate in any place, but when I came to Lucknow, it is very challenging place. Now it is become comfortable for me because I got to know so many clients, and I have a good customer base. Around 2,000 to 3,000 corporates know me by name. So it is easy for me to interact with them, but I am ready to take challenges to new cities as well.
Okay, so you are up for the challenges.
Yes.
Wow, what a lovely spirit I can see in you. So you seem to have such a rich experience, Shivendra. So actually, do you know that this company is one of the top-notch company, and we are actually hiring the top-notch candidates, like the candidates like you. But yes, there are some challenges. I hope you will be ready to accept those challenges, as you said in your introduction. Actually, we have a vacancy of the requirement for the candidates, but the relocation is the problem. I hope. Do you have any problem to be relocated?
No, sir, not a big deal for me because, sir, as you talking about top players, sir, I have recently got a promotion, and my ranking is 15th rank in all over 180 candidates in UPs.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So and in every month my average business for a company is around 4 to 5 lakhs.
Okay.
So my customer base is perfect. I think my pitch line and my interaction with customers, it is quite catchy. So I can convert the sales and leads very easily as compared to others.
Alright, Shwet, actually we are going to launch very soon a new project, Shwet. In this project, we need a person who is enterprising, adventurous, bold, because the area we are actually transferring you, there are challenges. You have to work from the grassroots level. You have to take the company to the top, right? Actually, the place is quite remote area, and we are somewhere thinking to shift you somewhere around Jammu. I think Jammu is a nice little place. You will be enjoying for health-wise and all. But yes, in terms of business, it's not working very well. So, do you think that you're the right person?
So the thing is that I cannot do job by fulfilling the commitments. I want to work over there for my passion. because I love to interact with different kind of people, and I am already covered.
But
so
there's a
many
language
things.
barrier. How would you cope with that?
So Jammu is a quite local focused more, but I try to learn basic things and
Some terrorist activities are also there.
yes, sir. But the thing is that where is the challenge, there is a good opportunity, right?
Wow.
So I think if I can prove myself over there, I can prove to everyone, to every place. So it definitely helped me to grow in my career and my personal development also.
Lovely, that's great. So Shivan, you have decided to be shifted over there. Fine. One more thing I would like to ask: do you have any personal expectations?
So actually, you can see about me.
As you know that this is one of the top 5 companies where you are applying, and they would not find to pay the better amount. You don't have any issues with that.
Sir, the thing is that I know about that your companies and your employees are very happy to work in your organization. So I don't think any challenge regarding healthy environment I am going to get. So I think it will be fine for me. But I definitely want to get assured that my promotion hierarchy will be as per the rules and regulations.
Alright, alright. So how soon can you join us, by the way? Since currently you have been attached with the company.
So in the company there is a 1 month notice period is mandatory, but I will ask.
But actually, we are looking for the person for the 15 days notice. Can you please join us as soon as possible?
Yes, sir.
Because we are in an immediate requirement.
So I will negotiate with my manager, so he can make.
Do you think that they would release you?
So I will.
And we need a relieving letter as well from there.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.